Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 23rd, our word of the day is freewheeling. F-R-E-E-W-H-E-E-L-I-N-G. Freewheeling. Freewheeling is a 12-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Freewheeling means not being limited by rules or accepted ways of doing things. Similar words include autonomous, nonpartisan, individualistic, self-reliant, self-sufficient, separate, sovereign. Examples of sentences using freewheeling are: James Bond has long been the model of the freewheeling hero who encounters danger and excitement in every corner of the globe. She led a freewheeling life in the city. As a young migrant worker, Lei Gailing sought her fortune in China's fast, industrializing and freewheeling South. A lot of the girls envied me for my independent, freewheeling life. An advertising agency or a freewheeling startup might be a better fit. I'm more of a freewheeling adventurer, preferring to travel in the mountains all by myself. Make sure to save this new word, freewheeling, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.